What's up, people? Good morning. It's Monday morning. It's been a crazy weekend. Welcome to the mess that is my home office. This is where I put down pretty much every little idea that comes in my head before we go full on production. What can I say? It's the hub of the organisation. Looks a mess. Pretty much this is where it all happens. See, we got the laptop there, we got the mannequin. So if we put something down, we can get it all done. We got a camera in there. I don't know how I can show you that camera. See, yeah, the camera. So, and that's me, just sat here waiting for inspiration to hit me. But pretty much day to day, it's going through orders, shipping, fucking doing all that kind of shit. Shouldn't call it shit really, because I'm grateful for the support. Started this company a long time ago, 2005. Now the main thing about it is that it's our slogan is "We're the rebel in you," which is basically every one of us has got a dark side, and I'm just intent on putting the dark side out there without you actually doing anything. You could just wear the clothes, and the logo does it for you. So everybody relating to the logo, anybody that sees the logo knows on that particular day you're feeling a bit, rebel-ish, or that's how you choose to live. You could be in your work clothes, you could be in your, work in a suit and a tie on. You know how you got Superman, there's all kit on the inside, jump into the phone booth and pull it all out and fucking fly out there and go and help some people. Now, basically what I'm saying is the clothes act like that. You know what I mean? They give you that Superman sort of fucking exterior. So it's the reverse really, because you're wearing your Superman costume when you're wearing GTC. So it's basically out there for everybody to see, and you're the man. That's all it is. So that's it. That's the rebel in you, son. Let's have a look, see about going on from there. The logo on it. The logo is kind of like a crown. It looks the business. That's the original logo. See if I can bring it up for you on the screen here. Oh, it's just dark now. But I'll try and pop it up. Now, what I should have really done was have a t-shirt on a mannequin there. Hold on, it's not too late. I could do that still. Just hang on a sec.